Hello student, this is the hello student. This is the sixth part of the lesson Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So here youth in the Nazi Hitler. Page number 66 of your textbook. Hitler was fantastically interested in the youth of country. He was interested only the youth of country. He felt that a strong Nazi society could be established only by teaching children Nazi ideology. इनकी सोच थी हिटलर की कि नाजी आइडियोलॉजी हम हैमरिंग करते हैं बच्चों पे तो ही वी आर एबल टू अचीव अ नाजी सोसाइटी, टू फॉर्म द नाजी सोसाइटी. This require a control over the children. This require control over child both inside and outside school. Means Nazi ideology hammering karna, it is important for control over the child both outside and inside. What happened in the school Nazism? So here all schools, they were clean and purified. What step Hitler taken initiative that purifying the schools, clean the schools. This means that teacher in this program, teachers who were Jews are seen as politically unreliable, जिस पर भरोसा नहीं था या जो जूस कम्युनिटी से बिलोंग करते थे, they were dismissed. Then children were first segregated. German and Jews could not sit together or play together. Subsequently, undesirable children, Jews, the physically handicapped gypsies, were thrown out of school. And finally, in the 1940, they were taken to the gas chamber. Means this one was the severe, we can't imagine such a punishment he gave in this Nazi Germany in 1940, because at that time he was pinnacle of his power of the Germany and he wanted to finish the people, Jews, physically handicapped, gypsies, Polish, all these. So next, good German children were subjected to the process of Nazi schooling, a prolonged period of the ideological training. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Then stereotypes about the Jews were popularized even through the math classes. Stereotypes was there, means just like prejudice. Children were taught to be a loyal and submissive. चिल्ड्रन को एक वफादार और आज्ञाकारी किसके लिए, नाजी के लिए सिखाया जाता था. लॉयल एंड सबमिसिव मीन्स दे हैड टू बी ट्रस्ट एंड ओबीडियंट ऑन द नाजी एंड हेट द जूस को का हेट करना एंड वर्शिप द हिटलर की वर्शिप करना, ये सभी बच्चों को सिखाया जाता था. Even the function of the sport that was nurture a spirit of violence and aggression among the children. Hitler believed that boxing could make the children iron hearted, strong, and the masculine. So he gave priority for teaching children for the boxing. Idea was that for making the children iron hearted, strong, and masculine. Then youth organizations made responsible for the educating German youth in the spirit of National Socialism. 10-year-old had to enter Jungwok. Jungwok, it was the one of the organization for giving training to the 10-year students in Nazi Germany. Name was that Junglok. And at the 14, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization. That was the Hitler's youth organization, where they learned to worship war. What was the training of in this Nazi youth organization? They learned to worship war, glorify aggression and violence, condemn democracy, and hate Jews, communists, gypsies, and all those categorized as undesirable. And after the period of rigorous means जैसे गहन विचारधारा जिसे कहते हैं, आइडियोलॉजिकल, रिगोरस आइडियोलॉजिकली एंड फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग. They joined the labor services. Means after this training, they had to join the labor services, usually at the age of 18 years, means 14 to 18. That was the period of this training, which one was rigorous ideologically and physical training. They had to serve in the armed forces and enter once of the Nazi organization. So they had to serve armed forces and enter once any one of the Nazi organization. Nazi organization में उनको शामिल किया जाता था. That one was the compulsory. So the Youth League of the Nazis was founded in 1922. 4 years later, it was renamed Hitler Youth. Means Youth League of the Nazi that was founded in 1922, and 4 years later, means in 1926, it was renamed as a what? That is Hitler Youth. To unify the youth movement under the Nazi control, all other youth organizations were systematically dissolved. Youth organizations were systematically dissolved and finally banned. Means all these acts of the Nazi German or Nazi or Hitler that was for promoting their pure race. So they after completing 10 to 8 years, they had to join these two organizations for the special training for promoting the Nazi Germany. Then come to the page number 67. 67 of your textbook. Nazi cult of motherhood. So what is cult? Cult means it is concept, सोच. और नाजी कल्ट ऑफ मदरहुड. व्हाट मदरहुड की क्या कंसेप्ट थी नाजी की अंडर दिस नाजी रूल. So children in Nazi Germany were repeatedly told that women were radically different from the men. They fought for equal right for the men and women that had become the part of democratic struggle everywhere was wrong and it would be destroy the society. So that was the period for struggle for getting the equal right. But as per this Nazi ideology, as per Nazi ideology, this thought was wrong and it would destroy the society. इनके पीछे इनकी concept क्या थी? It would disturb this or destroy society. While boys were taught to be aggressive, boys को सिखाया जाता था कि ज़्यादा aggressive होना, masculine and still-hearted. Whereas the girls were told that they had to become a good mother. What they wanted to teach to the girls, they wanted to become a good mothers and rear the pure blooded, means give birth. Rear means here to give birth the pure blooded Aryan children. Girls had to maintain the purity of race. Girl had to maintain what? Purity of race for giving the birth to children, that is pure blooded, and even distance themselves from the Jews. नाजी जर्मन में गर्ल्स को क्या सिखाया जाता था? They had to maintain the distance from Jews, looks after the home and teach their children Nazi values. They gave work to these women for teaching only Nazi value before coming to the school or training camps. So they had to be bearers of the Aryan culture and race. मीन्स गर्ल्स को सिखाया जाता था, वुमेन्स को सिखाया जाता था कि दे आर द बेयरर्स में कंडक्टर, जस्ट लाइक अ कंडक्टर और ट्रांसपोर्टर्स ऑफ दिस आर्यन कल्चर एंड रेस. सो हियर बाय 1930 Hitler said that in my states mothers is the most important citizen. 1933 he said that mother is most important, mother citizen, as a citizen mother is most important. But in Nazi Germany all mothers were not treated equally, but controversy was there that all mothers, they were not treated equally. Women who bore racially undesirable children were punished. And those who were giving birth to the undesirable children, so they were punished. And those who produce racially desirable children, means Aryan children, they were awarded. Means this one was the discrimination among the women. They were given favor treatment in the hospital. To whom were getting the favorable treatment in the hospital? those who were giving birth to the desirable children and were also entitled to concessions in the shop. Even they had concession in the shop and on the theatre tickets and railway fares. So all these were the concessions getting those who were giving birth to the pure race or desirable children. Means all these were the encouragement. Encourage women to produce many children. वुमन को इनकरेज किया जाता है फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग मेनी चिल्ड्रेन. ऑनर क्रॉस वेयर अवार्डेड. फॉर दिस दे वेयर अवार्डेड ऑनर क्रॉस. ब्रॉन्ज क्रॉस was given for the 4 children and silver for the 6 children and gold for the 8 or more. Means this one was the different awards were there for the women for number of children giving birth. So all the Aryan women who deviated from the prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and severely punished. Means those Aryan women, if they used to violated these conditions or restrictions imposed on them, if they violated severely, they had to punish, and it was the subject of public condemn. Means publicly condemn means that was insulting for the women and severely punished. Those who maintained contact with the Jews, Poles and the Russians were paraded through the town with the shaved head, blackened faces and the placard hanging around their neck announcing, I have sullied. Means stain. Sullied means what? Stain. मुझे दाग लगा है. And honor of the nation. Means those who were keeping contact with this undesirable people, they had to face the severe punishment, or which punishment was there? For parading in the town and shave their heads, blacken their faces and playing and placard hanging around their neck. And what that placard they were written on that placard or announcing, I have stolen. मुझे दाग लगा है. The honor of the nation. Nation के honor का. Many receive jail sentence and lost civic honor. Means जो एक सम्मान था वो भी उन्होंने lost किया था, और they received jail sentence, as well as their husbands and families for their criminal offense. So this one was the punishment, severe punishment for the women, those who were keeping contact with this undesirable, even undesirable women. They had to face the severe punishment in this Nazi Germany. Then come to the propaganda. The art of propaganda. Propaganda means prachar, profess. So that was the art of Nazi Germany under the control of Hitler. Actually, Hitler was the powerful speaker. Come to the 4.2, page number 68 of your textbook. Some words I wrote here for you. Meaning of these words. So here Nazi regime used language and media with the care and often to great effect. The terms they coined to describe their various practices are not only deceptive, means their deceptive means here जो misleading करने वाली their ideas or practices, they were misleading. They are chilling. Nazis never used the word kill or murder in the official communication. In secret words were there for the Nazi Germany for mass killing और चिलिंग मीन्स यहाँ जैसे ट्रॉमेटिक दिल दहलाने वाले जो सिवियर पनिशमेंट्स थी किलिंग की मर्डर की, बट दे hadn't used this word kill and murder. They used special treatment. Mass killings were termed special treatment for the final solution or final, which words they were using, mass killing, final solution for the Jews, means these were the different names. Or authoricism means move out, or euthanasia means for the disabled, means different words were there for getting. So evacuation means deporting the people to gas chamber, or lastly these people had to deporting means move out to gas chamber for the evacuation means for the certainty, yeah, surety. Do you know what the gas chamber were called? They were labeled disinfection area. और गैस चैम्बर को क्या कहा जाता था? Disinfection areas. And look like the bathroom. That was look like a bathroom equipment with the fake shower head. नकली shower head दिखाई देता था. And that was just like a bathroom. Concentration gas chamber that was looking like a bathroom, and they were called a disinfection chamber. So media was carefully used to win the support for the regime and popularize it worldwide. So media was very carefully used to win the support for the regime and popularize it worldwide. Nazi ideas were spread through the visual images, film, radio, posters, catchy slogans and leaflets. Means all this media that was under the control of Nazi Germany under the head of Hitler, and all these radio, films, images, posters, even catchy slogans, leaflets, they were favorable for the Nazi Germany. They wanted to promote Nazi Germany only. In the poster, group identified as the enemies of Germans were stereotyped, mocked, abused, means humiliating, insulting, and described as a evil. Socialists and liberals were represented as a weak and degenerate. They were attacked as a malicious. उन पर अटैक किया जाता था. मीन्स ऑल दिस वेयर द अपोनेंट ऑफ नाजी Germany, socialists, liberals, and they were the attraction focus for giving the punishment. They were very malicious, means um, harmful for the foreign agent. Then propaganda films were made to create hatred for the Jews. Whatever films they produced, in that film only the subject was for the propaganda to promote the Nazi and hatred to the Jews. The most infamous film, whose name was Eternal Jews, Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and marked. Orthodox means कंजर्वेटिव आइडियोलॉजी है. जूस की आइडियोलॉजी कैसी है? कंजर्वेटिव. दे आर नॉट फ्लेक्सिबल इन द ट्रेडिशनली मीन्स they wanted to spread all these things related to the orthodox and socialist and liberals, and they used total media or control total media under their hands. So here with the flowing beard wearing kaftans, whereas in the reality it was difficult to distinguish the German Jews and their outward appearance because they were highly assimilated community. Means they wanted to show different to these Jews. They showed these Jews with the flowing beard wearing kaftans. Means they wanted to show apart from this Nazi society. Actual, there was no difference in the appearance between these Nazi people and these Jews, but they wanted to purposefully show the differences because of having the prejudice. Actually, they were looking same like other Germans. Word was here beard means दाढ़ी, flowing beard means दाढ़ी बढ़ाए हुए. So here, because they were highly assimilated community, they were referred to as Varnme Kachua. Varn means Kachua, rats, and the pest means कीड़ा. मीन्स इस प्रकार से उनको दिखाया जाता था या रेफर किया जाता था. दिस मूवमेंट वेर compared to those of the rodent. Rodent means जो छुछुंदरी होती है उसके साथ से वो कंपेयर किया जाता था जूस को. That was it was the hated Jewish people, that was the hated for the Nazis. Nazism worked on the mind of people. Nazism worked on the mind of people, tap their emotions and turn their hatred and anger at those marked as undesirable. Means it was the place for hatred place for the undesirable as per Nazi. Only Nazi race they wanted to promote. So here Nazi and the equal efforts to appeal to all the different section of the population, they sought to win their support by suggesting that Nazi alone could solve all their problem. और ये भी सिखाया जाता था कि नाजी जर्मनी whatever problems they had, totally that problem would be solved, or capacity for solving these problems in the Nazi Germany only with the Nazi government. So here we have discussed about how discrimination was there, or how this Nazi, they wanted to show inferior to the Jews and superior to the, to whom? Superior to the Nazis or Nordic Aryan. So that we have seen in this chapter. Even places, they were different for the, places were also different for this Nazi, means Jewish people, gypsies, then Russian minorities, Poles. Discriminative treatment was there, promoted, even though in women, women, those who were rearing birth to the to whom desirable children means Nordic Iron, they were promoted, giving awarded. Those who were producing more and more children, they were different awards were there in the in this Nazism. And those who were keeping relations or contact with these Jews or undesirable, they were getting punishment. Even though racial utopia was there, utopia means उनकी आदर्श समाज निर्मिति का एक कंसेप्ट था. आदर्श utopia means for the welfare of society, but not actual welfare, but as per their concept, Nazi society they wanted to form. Here some words are there, that is gypsy, pauperize, and the usurers. So gypsies means the group that were classified as gypsy had their own community identity. Then Sinti and Romna were two such communities. Many of them trace their origin to India. And next one is pauperize word. So what is the pauperize? Reduced to absolute poverty. Pauperize means reduced to absolute poverty. Then persecution, this is one of the words. So systematic organized punishment. Persecution means systematic organized punishment of those belonging to the group or religion. And another term that was there, usurers. Usurers means moneylenders, charging excessive interest, often used as a term abused. So here Poles, they were herded. Poles means undesirable. Those who were in the minority in Germany, they were rearing cattle in order to call the general. They were called the general government. The destination of all undesirable of the empire, member of the Polish इंटेंशिलिशिया, या जिसे हम एजुकेटेड बुद्धिजीवी कहा करते हैं, वेयर मर्डर, उनका मर्डर होता था इन द लार्ज मेंबर्स इन ऑर्डर टू कीप द एंटायर पीपल इंटेलेक्चुअली एंड स्पिरिचुअल सर्वाइव. स्पिरिचुअली वो गुलाम किया जाता था, सर्वाइव. पोलिश चिल्ड्रन हु वेर लुक लाइक आर्यन वेर फोर्सफुली snatched from their mothers. फोर्सफुली पुलिस चिल्ड्रन को मदर के पास से स्नैच किया जाता है. एंड एग्जामाइन by the race expert, और race expert through examine किया जाता है. If they pass the race test, they were raised in the German families, and if not, they were deposited in the orphaners, means अनाथालय में भेजा जाता था जो उनके if they failed in this test as per their race, where most perish, with some of the largest ghettos and the gas chamber. Ghettos means that was the separately marked land areas for the Jews, and gas chamber, that was the place for getting the punishment. Also killing field for the Jews. Means all these severe punishments were there for the undesirable Polish minorities, Jews, gypsies, all these. So thank you, student.